So my headaches just showed up yesterday. Why won't they just go away? Today I'm going to look to answer that question for you. My name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years to lead amazing, fantastic lives. Today I want to talk with you about why things show up immediately but take time to go away. And the real answer to that is that these things didn't show up immediately. They've been building over time. You just didn't have the symptom you're having. And with that, it's going to wind up taking time because we've got to unravel all the things that have happened in the past to really get to the cause of the problem. Now, I'm going to use this chart right behind me to help me explain that to you. So the way I look at things is that our brain tells every tissue, organ, and gland in the body what to do. It does so by sending energy down your spine, out the nerves to all those tissues. They're totally dependent on you. And if there's any disconnect, dysregulation, or decreased efficiency of those messages, you break down. And the breakdown happens over time, but it'll usually leave you with the spine out of place and the nerves inflamed. And it'll leave you looking like this. If you've ever looked like this, go ahead and smash that like button. That just lets me know that you're with me on this. Now, when we wind up leaving it like this and we just take some Tylenol, it winds up compressing more and more on the nerve and becomes more and more challenging each episode and more permanent. We wouldn't want that. What I found that the key to do is find where the segments are out of place and irregular that are causing you to look like this, and begin to get to work immediately on taking the pressure off of those nerves so that they can express themselves as full as they can. Once we've been able to take the pressure off the nerves, you can see it's still inflamed. And for many people, this is where they ruin an amazing plan to get you back to health, because they start to feel better and they stop doing the thing that they did to get there. And that's typically in our office, corrective chiropractic care. This is where we start to change gears, and we've gotten you out of pain and we shift into making a correction take place. Now, if we wind up just saying, forget you, I'm fine, I've got no more symptom, you'll end up back here in what I call the pit of dismay, and it winds up being even more difficult to get you back out of it, because once again, every time it occurs, it becomes more permanent. Making that correction winding up taking place and showing up when we look at things that later on imaging allows for us to know, yes, we have made things more efficient for you, so your health can start to develop and build just like we do our savings accounts. And once we've done that, we can wind up then layering on the physical activities you once thought that you could do again, and you can get back to being more athletic, more active, and more engaged in life than you were even before you were injured. If you've got questions about yourself, go ahead and write them down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.